Integrating Webtrends optimized with Snowflake usually happens for one of two reasons. First, and most commonly, we have customer profiles which are kept in Snowflake, which will be your record of truth, your customer view, and you want to ship these into Webtrends optimized for use with segmentation, targeting, and personalization. On the other side, we have offline conversions. You may have, for example, an application journey where there is an offline process that needs to happen for us to understand what genuine success looks like. Or you may have a lead gen site, and again, people picking up the phone, reaching out, and an actual sale will happen after the fact and off the website. In both of these situations, the same process applies, and that's the one that we'll be going through here.
So as with everything, there is a help doc for this. You'll find it on docs.webtrends-optimize.com. And what it goes through is the various stages of creating a stage, which is a connection to us, getting your tasks set up, making sure that things are working along the way. What we've done over in Snowflake here is copy and paste all those snippets of code, and one by one, we'll just execute them. So we'll begin with creating our stage, which is our connection. We'll then go through and just do a little test run of running that task, and the output you can see is successful. If we hop over to blob storage and just hit refresh, we'll then just see some of these profile files, zip files, having been successfully populated. And then back over in Snowflake, given things are working, we can create our warehouse. You can obviously use an existing one if you have one, and then create our scheduled task. This is running once an hour, but once a day could be perfectly normal as well. And at the end, we'll just turn it on. There's a couple of interesting places within Snowflake you can go to understand and monitor what's going on. So there's a history of tasks and a list of all the runs that have happened. So you can make sure at any given time that things are happening as they should do. And we have that warehouse that we built as well. So you can go and monitor that and make sure it's behaving. On the flip side, in the Optimize UI, once we have done our bit to hook up the dots, creating a segment, as you can see here, it's pretty straightforward. Hope that was helpful. Read more about it at docs.webtrends-optimize.com.